Listen to the question and answers and improve your English. Subscribe for more.
Hello, what is your name?
Hey, my name is Rose.
How are you?
I am good, thank you, and you?
I am fine. Where are you from?
I am from England.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Does she speaks French?
Yes, she speaks French.
Are they students?
Yes, they are students.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What does he do for work?
He works as a teacher.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a monkey.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Does it rain a lot here?
No, it doesn't rain much here.
How do you get to school?
I take the bus to school.
Do they live nearby?
Yes, they live in the next street.
What does she study?
She studies biology.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Does he play any sports?
Yes, he plays cricket.
What time does the store open?
The store opens at 10 a.m.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I enjoy reading novels.
Where does she work?
She works in a hospital.
Are they married?
No, they aren't married.
Did you go to the party last night?
Yes, I went to the party last night.
Where were you born?
I was born in England.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate cereal for breakfast.
Did she finish her homework?
Yes, she finished her homework.
Were they at the meeting?
No, they weren't at the meeting.
When did you learn to drive?
I learned to drive when I was 18.
What did he buy at the store?
He bought milk and bread at the store.
Did you watch TV yesterday?
Yes, I watched TV yesterday evening.
Where did you go on vacation?
We went to Florida on vacation.
Did it snow last winter?
Yes, it snowed a lot last winter.
What time did you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Did they enjoy the movie?
Yes, they enjoyed the movie very much.
When did you last see her?
I last saw her 2 weeks ago.
What did you do last weekend?
I visited my grandparents last weekend.
Did he pass the exam?
Yes, he passed the exam.
Where were you at 3 p.m. yesterday?
I was at the library at 3 p.m. yesterday.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, I had a great time.
What did she wear to the party?
She wore a blue dress to the party.
Were you sick last week?
No, I wasn't sick last week.
Did they win the game?
Yes, they won the game.
Will you go to the party tomorrow?
Yes, I will go to the party tomorrow.
What are you going to do this weekend?
I am going to visit my friend this weekend.
Will she be at the meeting?
Yes, she will be at the meeting.
Are they going to move soon?
Yes, they are going to move next month.
What will you have for dinner?
I will have pasta for dinner.
Will it rain tomorrow?
The forecast says it will rain tomorrow?
Are you going to study tonight?
Yes, I'm going to study for my test tonight.
Will he come to the concert?
No, he won't come to the concert.
What are your plans for next summer?
I am going to travel to Europe next summer.
Will they finish the project on time?
Yes, they will finish the project on time.
Are you going to learn a new language?
Yes, I am going to learn Spanish next year.
Will she graduate this year?
Yes, she will graduate this year.
What time will the movie start?
The movie will start at 10 p.m.
Are they going to get married?
Yes, they are going to get married in June.
Will you help me with my homework?
Yes, I will help you with your homework.
What will you do if it rains?
If it rains, I will stay at home.
Are you going to buy a new car?
No, I'm not going to buy a new car.
Will they arrive on time?
I hope they will arrive on time.
What are you going to wear to the party?
I am going to wear my new dress to the party.
Do you often eat out?
Yes, I eat out twice a week.
Did you go to the gym yesterday?
No, I didn't go to the gym yesterday.
Will you call me later?
Yes, I will call you later.
What time do you visually go to bed?
I really go to bed at 10 p.m.
Did she finish reading the book?
Yes, she finished reading the book last night.
Are you going to the beach this summer?
Yes, I am going to the beach in August.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food.
When did you last visit your parents?
I last visited my parents 1 month ago.
Will you attend the morning tomorrow?
Yes, I will attend the morning tomorrow.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise every day.
Did you enjoy the concert last night?
Yes, I enjoy the concert very much.
What are your plans for tonight?
I am going to watch a movie tonight.
Did you speak any foreign language?
Yes, I speak French and German.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Italy on my last vacation.
Will you join us for dinner?
Yes, I will join you for dinner.
What time does the bus usually arrive?
The bus usually arrives at 9:30 a.m.
Did you remember to lock the door?
Yes, I remembered to lock the door.
Are you going to the party next week?
No, I am not going to the party next week.
When did you move to this city?
I moved to this city 2 years ago.
Will you need any help tomorrow?
No, I won't need any help tomorrow.
Did you watch the news last night?
No, I didn't watch the news last night.
What are you going to do after class?
I am going to meet my friends after class.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee in the morning.
Where did you buy that shirt?
I bought this shirt at the mall last week.
How long have you lived here?
I have lived here for 5 years.
Did they invite you to the wedding?
Yes, they invited me to the wedding.
Are you going to learn to drive?
Yes, I am going to learn to drive next month.
Do you often eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast every morning.
When did you last see a movie?
I last saw a movie 2 weeks ago.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I usually spend my weekends with family.
See you later, Rouse.
Thank you. See you later. Bye bye.